Saving for major life goals, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or taking your dream vacation, doesn't mean you have to sacrifice everything you enjoy. With smart planning and the right strategies, it's possible to grow your savings while still enjoying your current lifestyle. By finding the right balance between spending and saving, you can make progress toward your future goals without feeling restricted today. Here's how to plan ahead, stay consistent, and enjoy life now while preparing for what's next. Setting financial goals is one of the most powerful steps toward long-term success, but ambition alone isn't enough. To truly make progress, your goals need structure and clarity. That's where the SMART method comes in: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Start by making your goals specific. Instead of saying, "I want to save more," define exactly what you're saving for and how much you need. A clear goal gives you direction and makes planning easier. Next, make your goal measurable. Break it down into smaller milestones so you can track progress. Turning a large goal into monthly or quarterly targets keeps you motivated and accountable. Your goals should also be achievable. Set targets that match your income, expenses, and current responsibilities. Goals that are too aggressive can lead to frustration, while realistic goals help you stay consistent without burnout. Relevance is just as important. Your financial goals should align with what truly matters to you, whether that's travel, homeownership, debt freedom, or financial security. When goals reflect your values, saving feels purposeful instead of restrictive. Every goal needs a deadline. A clear time frame creates urgency and helps you stay focused. Without one, it's easy to delay action. Break big goals into manageable steps and build them into your budget. Review your progress regularly and adjust as life changes. Stay consistent but remain flexible. Finally, celebrate your milestones. Acknowledging progress, even small wins, keeps motivation high and reinforces positive habits. By using the SMART method, you turn financial dreams into clear, achievable plans, one intentional step at a time. Automating your savings is one of the simplest and most effective ways to stay consistent with your financial goals. When saving happens automatically, you're paying yourself first instead of relying on willpower at the end of the month. Start by choosing a specific amount to save on a regular schedule that matches your income, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Even small amounts add up over time. As your income grows or expenses change, you can gradually increase your contributions to accelerate progress. Most banks and financial apps make automation easy. You can set recurring transfers to a dedicated savings account or create separate savings buckets for different goals like emergencies, travel, or a future home. This keeps your money organized and makes progress more visible. You can also take advantage of micro savings tools that round up everyday purchases and save the spare change automatically. These small amounts may seem insignificant, but over time they can grow into meaningful savings without changing your spending habits. If your employer offers direct deposit, consider sending a portion of your paycheck straight into savings or retirement accounts. Keeping savings out of your checking account reduces temptation and helps your money grow faster. For long-term goals, automating investments into accounts like a retirement plan allows you to benefit from consistency and compound growth. Just make sure your contributions align with your goals and risk tolerance. The biggest advantage of automation is that it removes emotion from the process. You don't have to decide whether to save, the system does it for you. Review your setup occasionally and adjust as your income or goals evolve. Small tweaks over time can lead to significant financial success. Balancing short-term wants with long-term financial goals is about making intentional choices that let you enjoy life now without sacrificing your future. The goal isn't restriction, it's alignment. When your spending reflects your priorities, you can feel good about both today's enjoyment and tomorrow's security. Start by getting clear on what matters most in the short term versus the long term. Short-term wants might include dining out, shopping, or entertainment, while long-term needs often involve saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, or preparing for a major purchase like a home. Once your priorities are clear, give every dollar a purpose by dividing your income between present enjoyment and future growth. A simple, structured budget helps maintain this balance. Cover essentials first, then commit a fixed portion of your income to savings and investments. What's left can be used for discretionary spending, allowing you to enjoy life without guilt while staying financially responsible. Mindful spending plays a big role. Before making a purchase, pause and ask whether it truly adds value or simply satisfies an impulse. This doesn't mean saying no to everything. It means choosing what genuinely enhances your life. Separating needs from wants can free up extra money. Essentials like housing, utilities, and groceries come first, while non-essentials can be adjusted. Small changes, such as reducing daily conveniences or choosing lower-cost activities, can make a big difference over time. It also helps to set spending limits for things you enjoy. If travel, hobbies, or dining out matter to you, plan for them in advance. Including these in your budget turns indulgences into intentional choices instead of financial setbacks. Review your habits regularly. As your life changes, your goals and priorities will evolve too. Checking in on your budget helps ensure your money continues to support what matters most to you. Use budgeting tools or apps to track spending and savings. These tools provide visibility, highlight patterns, and make it easier to adjust when needed. Financial balance doesn't require perfection. Unexpected expenses and spontaneous moments will happen. What matters is your ability to adapt while keeping your long-term financial health on track, enjoying life today while still building a secure future. When deciding between saving and investing, it's important to understand that both play different but equally important roles in your financial plan. The right priority depends on your goals, your timeline, and how comfortable you are with risk. Saving is best for short-term needs and unexpected expenses. Keeping money in an easily accessible account helps you handle emergencies like medical bills, car repairs, or sudden income loss without stress. A good guideline is to build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Savings also work well for short-term goals such as travel, a wedding, or a home down payment. These accounts are low risk and stable, but they offer limited growth. Investing is designed for long-term goals where time works in your favor. Through compound growth and market returns, investing can significantly increase your wealth over time. This makes it ideal for retirement, education funds, or long-term financial independence. While investing carries risk, choosing diversified assets that match your risk tolerance helps manage volatility and support steady growth. So which should come first? In most cases, saving should be the starting point. Building an emergency fund creates a safety net that protects you from having to sell investments during tough times. Once that foundation is in place, you can focus more heavily on investing for the future. The most effective approach is balance. If your budget allows, allocate part of your income to savings for short-term security and another portion to investments for long-term growth. As your income increases or your goals change, adjust this balance accordingly. Ultimately, saving provides stability, and investing creates growth. Combining both strategies ensures you're prepared for today's uncertainties while steadily building wealth for tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.